Let's come down onto the mat to rest in Makarasana. Make a pillow of your hands and rest your forehead on the back of the palms. Let your toes point outwards. Let's take a few deep breaths here. Let's turn around to come onto our back. We'll get into Anand Balasana or the happy baby pose now. So bring both the knees in close to the chest and grab your toes or the ankles from the outside. Pull the knees down, trying to keep the shins perpendicular to the floor. Try to keep your lower back grounded onto the mat. And let's just stay in happy baby pose for a few breaths. Here, you can just rock side to side, massaging the spine. And keep breathing into the stretch in your lower back and hips. And slowly release. Extend the left leg out. Bring the right foot on the outside of the left knee. We are going to get into Supta Matsyendrasana now. So bring the left hand on the outside of the right knee. Inhale, and as you exhale, twist to the left and look towards the right side, trying to keep the right shoulder onto the mat. And let's stay here for 5 deep breaths. And come back to center. Let's do it for the other side. Left foot on the outside of the right knee. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Then look towards the left side. Keeping the left shoulder grounded onto the mat for 5 deep breaths. And release. Come back to center. Extend both the legs out, letting the feet fall out. And let's rest in Shavasana for a few deep breaths. Try to relax your entire body completely, letting it melt into the ground. while we are in Shavasana, we are going to chant A, U and Ma. So we'll start with chanting A first. As you chant A, feel the vibrations in your lower body from your toes to your hips and try to relax the lower body completely. So let's start. Inhale. Now we'll chant U. With this, feel the vibration in your middle body from hips to your chest and try to relax the middle body completely. Inhale. And finally, we'll chat M or the M sound, feeling the vibration in our neck and skull and try to relax them completely. Slowly start moving your toes and fingers, bringing the awareness back to your body. Slowly turn to one side and come up, taking support of your hands to come into a seated position. We are going to end the practice with 3 Om chants. So bring your hands in Chin Mudra on the knees. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring your palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you soon with a new class. Till then, take care and bye-bye.